Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope so you all are fine. I am again here for you and this video lecture is related to maths subject. Today we are going to add with number 2. Let's add it. How can we will add number 2? Open your book page number 5151. Here you can see there are too much smiley faces. On the first line there is one smiley face and then plus, and there is again two smiley face. So you have to write number 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Total faces are there in first row 3. Now look at on the second row, there is 2 smiley faces on the right side and also 2 smiley faces are there on the left side. So you have to write 2 plus 2 is equal to, now count all the smiley faces, how much is there, 1 2 3 and 4. So you have to write number 4. On the third line you can see there is 3 smiley faces at the one side and then plus sign, and then again there is 2 faces. So you have to count all these. 3 and then 2 is equal to 5. 5 faces are there. Now count all the faces on the next line. There is on the left side 4 smiley faces are there, then plus sign. You have to write number 4 in first block, then plus sign is there, and then 2 faces are there. 4 plus 2. So count the all faces, 1 2 3 4 and one side, and on the next side 2 4 5 6. So total are 6. You have to write number 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Like this, complete all this page and let's see your second question. Now one more question is for you, that in first block you have to draw one red balloon, and in the second block you have to draw 2 blue balloon. You have to color them red and blue. Then count all the balloon, how much you have draw. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then write 3. Okay. Do your work at home and take care of yourself. Bye bye.